What?
What? Just
Guess.
What's the good news now?
Where's mommy?
She's inside.
Mom! Mommy, come.
Just me now. What's the good news?
Hold on. Angeli's back. How are you guys? I'm fine, mommy. How are you? You're looking good today. What's going on? Where are you up to?
Leave this compliment and just me now. What's happening?
Okay.
Tell me now.
Like I said earlier, guess.
Okay, you're engaged.
You're...
You know we're not good at guessing. Just tell us.
Anyway, I wish. Okay. It's alright. Take a look.
What is that?
I made it, mommy. I made it.
What's that? Let me see.
Take a look. Oh, congratulations, darling. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. No more. It's me.
This is 2 nights I'm seeing here.
Yes, 2 nights.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats, my dear. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow, this is so nice.
Thank you.
My love, this is unbelievable. At least you have proved your worth.
Thank you.
So after 5 years of taking jam, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So next year you're joining us in the next academic section.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Cause for celebration.
So keep enjoying. Congrats.
I need to celebrate
Yes, you will.
Let me have it.
Wow, congrats, my dear. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, happy for you, girl.
So how are you?
I'm okay.
How is Cheta? Cheta is fine. He went to school to help me check something.
Okay.
Yeah. You know school will soon be resuming.
Oh, that's true. That reminds me, Choma. Have you gone back to check if the second batch of the admission list is out?
Well, that's what Cheta went to help me check, and he's yet to call to give me an update.
Choma, why don't you take my advice? Admission these days is not by merit. People spend money to sort their ways into university. I know someone who can actually help you out with that.
Angela, certain or no certain, I am confident that I'll be given admission. Okay? I'm praying over it, and I know God will help me.
I know why I'm saying this, because you've spent so many years already in the house waiting to get your jam. Now that you've made it, you shouldn't be playing with such opportunity.
I know. But the thing is, my father won't even support that. So my only option is to pray.
It's okay. I wish you the best of it.
Thank you. So how is mommy and daddy?
They're doing well. They sent their regards.
You too. You're doing well. Look at you. You look good.
Thank you.
Cheers, baby girl. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Cheers to long life, prosperity.
Everything good.
Admission.
Admission, girl.
Why did you come back so late? Eh? Haven't I warned you? Even if it's late, you stay back at school.
Mom, I'm sorry. Our bus broke down and it took the driver almost the whole day to fix it. I left school in time.
But you would have called.
Oh, I couldn't call.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
I didn't even care to call me. Huh? Does it mean the school has not released the second badge list?
Actually, they've released it already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's the problem? Was my name not on the list?
Say something now. Why are you like this?
Anyway, unfortunately, I checked all the lists in the Faculty of Science. I couldn't find your name in any of the departments.
Are you sure you checked very well?
No, I checked very well. I checked all the lists.
Why now? Why?
I don't know.
It's because I did not sort them out. Why? Why are they doing this to me?
Why are you shouting on us? Are we jam?
No. This is unacceptable. This is wrong, Mom. I know what it took me to secure my jam.
What did you do?
This This is wrong, Mom. Why is this called?
Hey, come back here. Before you go and start crying.
This is wrong. This is wrong. What's that?
Your name is number 5 on the list of the pharmacy department. It's just a prank. Come on. Don't kill me.
No, it's expensive.
Please don't kill me.
No, don't kill you. Don't kill you. I will.
And take your studies seriously.
Mommy, I've heard you. You said that like 1 million times since yesterday.
And I'll keep saying that over and over again so that it will sink into your head.
Oh, Dad.
Darling.
Let me just escort them to school.
What?
I will see you when I come.
Okay. Why are you calling my name?
Johnny messes, alright? Careful. Careful.
Son, come and have the key. I want you to drive.
Going to school somewhere else after dropping these children at school. And his 2 lines are switched off. This is strange. This is so strange. And ever since I married him, his phone has never gone off before. What is happening? What is happening? What is this? What is this?
Hello, Cheta.
Yes, Mom. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, Mom. How is Dad?
I've not seen him until now. I've been trying to call his line since this evening, but it's not connecting. His phones are switched off. Did he tell you he was going somewhere when he dropped you from school?
No. He dropped us and went back immediately.
God. Why would he be there?
Mom, maybe he had an emergency at the office.
Emergency at the office? Have you forgotten today is Sunday? So what will he be doing in his office by today being Sunday?
Mom, see, stop worrying yourself. He'll be back home soon, okay?
I am calm. No problem, I'll let you know when he gets home.
Okay, Mom. Bye.
Bye, take care.
Cheta, what's up? What's going on?
Mom said that Dad is not back home yet.
Why?
I don't know. His two phones are switched off.
That's true. Because I tried calling him earlier to know if he had reached home, but his number was off.
I don't know. Mom is seriously worried.
Dad doesn't keep late nights. Where could he be?
What is it? Did anything happen?
I came to see your husband.
He has gone to work.
Hey!
Is there a problem?
Elizabeth, my husband hasn't come home since yesterday. He dropped our children off at school. And his two phones are switched off. They're not connecting since that yesterday. I don't know where else to go look for him.
Meaning what? Why is he not...
He's the one.
Hi.
Hello?
Yeah. Am I speaking with Mr. Ikweme's wife?
Yes. Please, who am I talking with?
Speak with your husband.
Okay.
Honey, darling, I know you're already worried about me. Please, don't be worried. It will be okay.
Yes, my love. Where are you?
Listen. We kidnap your husband. And you have 3 days to pay the sum of 100 million naira. Failing to do so, your husband will be dead. I said 3 days. And one more thing. Make sure you don't involve any security agency. Because if you do, we will not only kill your husband, we will come after you and wipe your entire family. 3 days, I said. One more thing. I will tell you where and how to deliver the money.
Evelyn! What is it? What? Hey, what? Evelyn! Help! Somebody help me! Evelyn!
I've informed the wife. We will call her later to know what she can come up with.
Listen, man. We are not collecting anything less than 50 million naira.
We will wait until she calls.
Oh, please, my wife cannot raise that kind of money.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Quiet! You're still talking. Kim, from you, I promise you I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah, I'm sorry, please, sorry.
Quiet! You are still talking. If your wife played tricks on us, I'll put trigger on your skull. Get dead!
Take it easy. Remember what the doctor said. Oh?
Calm down. Your husband will be safe. Nothing will happen to him. Just remember what the doctor said. Go in now. Observe some rest.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's like your phone is ringing.
Yes. The kidnappers are calling you.
Yes, pick it. Let's hear them out.
When are you coming with the money?
Sorry, please. I don't have such an amount of money to give you. I'm sorry.
Listen, woman. We are not playing. Pay 50 million naira or you will say goodbye to your husband. Remember, if we don't hear from him after 3 days, we will send him to his grave.
Hello? Hello? Of course.
Relax. Nothing will happen to your husband. We keep praying they will reduce the money before the time they give us. Honey, I'm going back to the office. Make sure she observes some rest as the doctor said, eh? It's alright, madam.
I spoke to them before you two came back. And they said the last price they're going to take from us is 25 million naira. Yes. And I have only tomorrow left to gather that amount of money.
Mom, how are we going to raise such a huge amount of money?
What kind of rubbish is this? What nonsense is this? Eh? Mom? Yes. What do you think we should do for that not to get hurt?
Help is on the way. I spoke to your dad and he's told me we are to get 20 million naira.
Really?
Yes. And your uncle, Mabeze, promised to complete it.
Thank you.
And I'm waiting for the kidnapper's instruction on how to disburse the ransom.
Mommy, they should take the money and leave Daddy. Eh?
Mom, yes. Don't you think we should involve the police into this?
No.
No.
No, don't even say that.
No.
Ha! I don't think it's a good idea. Don't say that. Let's not involve the police, at least for now.
I am not going to tell the police. Because they warned me against it.
You see? You see? Did you just see it now? Let's not involve them. Let's not involve them for now. See, what we'll do is, by tomorrow, we'll go to Uncle's house and show appreciation for his kind gesture. Right? Please be careful.
I will, sweetheart, okay? Calm down, just don't worry, I'll be fine.
Mom, right? Can I go with you?
No. This I should come alone. So as soon as I get there and drop this money, I'll come home immediately to wait for their call. Right?
But Mom, we can actually go with you and stay far away from the place.
So it's not safe at all. Let me get going so that I can be there at the right time they said I should be there. Okay? I'll be home immediately.
Please be careful.
I will.
Come on, let me see you up to the car.
No problem, my love.
Me too.
Okay, come.
Hello? Hello, I'm out here. Yes, I'm alone.
Where's the money?
Here is the money.
Get it, let's get out of here.
Emeka. Jesus Christ. Emeka! Emeka, so you are behind all this? What did you ever do to you that you do this to us? What did you do to you that you pay us back in this way? What did we do to you?
I served your husband for good 10 years. And all he could do was to pay me with just 500,000 naira. Despite all the money I made for him.
Really? So this is what all this is about. So where is my husband now?
We are wasting time here. I have the money. Let's get lost from here.
Emeka is me. In the house. I took care of you. Please don't do this to me. Don't.
My brother's wife. Even when the kidnappers called, they did not say anything about my brother's wife. What is really going on? God, let this not be true. I don't want to believe that anything is happening to her.
Are you sure you had the young man when? They said 5:30. But I know we're just 5 minutes late. Uncle, don't you think we should involve the police in this?
Those men have no conscience. They will kill you at that the moment they land to inform the police.
Oh. Hey! Hey!
Oh.
No. Daddy? Uncle?
Oh.
Daddy? Hey! Help! 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 Help!
I'm yet to get over the shock of what I saw today, this afternoon.
But those people are wicked. They are so heartless. They killed him after collecting ransom. Now none of us knows Evelyn's whereabouts.
I wish the police would get over the investigation soonest. Those boys need to be apprehended immediately.
I feel for Evelyn. Could it be that they are still holding her to make another demand?
I've given the police all necessary assistance they need, believing they will come up with positive result. Those hoodlums won't get away with this murder. It is a murder too many.
God will expose all of them. All of them.
You remember my brother. So this is how you ended your life.
Why? I don't leave me. Where's my mother? Oh no,
I'm asking
that's
you take my father away.
How did you
asking
leave me?
Do you take my mother away? I'm asking you why do you choose for me to cry? I'm asking you why do you turn your back on me?
Mr. Wambuzi, it is a pity that she died in the hands of all these kidnappers. This is the mistake most of our people make. The woman, even her husband, wouldn't have died if you people have informed us earlier.
DPO, I'm so sorry. We were afraid because of their threat. That's what happened.
Mr. Wambuzi, I will not here to protect the life and property of the people. These criminals always have their way because you people give them the opportunity.
Oh, you are right. You are right. It is.
No matter what happens, these people will never go scot-free. They will be apprehended and brought to book. Please accept my sympathy.
Thank you. Thank you, DPO. I think I have to leave now.
Well, I'll keep you posted.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Another sad story.
Hey, what?
Evelyn is dead.
How did it happen? Hey.
She was found laying by the roadside with bullet wound on her head. I guess the kidnappers must have done that.
Why, Wano? Hey, why? They killed her husband after taking the money and still killed the woman. That is pure wickedness. Hey!
My major concern now is how to break this news to Cheta and Chioma.
Hey. I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry?
Cheta and Chioma,
Sir.
I called you to advise you not to lose hope over the death of your parent. You see, My dear wife and I, we've decided to pick up from where they stopped.
Uncle, we are very grateful for all you did during the burial of Daddy and Mommy. God Almighty will reward you for every dime you spent. Let's thank you.
You're welcome. I'm aware of my late brother's intentions to see both of you through your university. But unfortunately, they'd put a stop to all this. But my greatest happiness now is that those kidnappers are cool enough in police custody.
They will surely pay for all their atrocities.
Anyway, that's apart. Chioma, I've taken up the responsibility of seeing you through your university education. While Cheta, your brother, will look for a lucrative job or better still learn a trade to help himself.
Thank you.
For the meantime.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Uncle, thank you.
Thank you.
Come and sit here.
Thank you so much.
Thank God. Thank God.
Uncle, even if it is only my sister that you're going to train in school, to be enough for me, I will appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Are you the late Mr. Ekweme's children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please, how may we help you?
Well, I'm here to see your father, but the gate man told me what happened. Please, accept my sympathy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Well, I came here in respect of the loan your late father took from our bank 1 year and 5 months ago. And this is more than 1 year he has not been servicing the account, which he used this house as a collateral.
Sorry, my father used to tell us about all his endeavors. But he has never told us about this transaction you're talking about now.
Exactly.
So?
Well, I'm not here to banter words with you. You have 1 month to pack out of this house, and you're not allowed to move with anything except your personal belongings.
What?
Please, just make your way out before I unleash my anger on you.
Good.
Please.
Well, some policemen will be around the compound in the evening to make sure that nothing is taken out of this house except your personal belongings.
Sir, please, vous lepa.
Do have a nice day.
Vous. See your pants. Idiot. What?
Are you sure he's not making sense? What if he's saying the truth?
What truth?
What are we going to do?
Have you called your brother to know why he is still out at this time?
I tried reaching him, but he didn't take my calls.
That boy is looking for my trouble. Oh. Is this how he wants to live his life? I told him to get something that will keep him busy after graduation. He refused. This is the kind of lifestyle he has chosen.
Honestly, I don't know what's wrong with cheating. I think you should talk to Daddy about it because he's not even saying anything about Chidi's behavior.
Who is laughing with you? Where are you coming from?
No mistake, no.
Don't come close to me. Where are you coming from?
Mommy, don't be angry with your boy. I was just having fun with the guys.
You were having fun with the guys and you lost track of time. What is wrong with you? Listen, let this be the very last time you will come back this late.
Mommy, man must flex now. Man must flex now.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Just look at you. Drunk.
Mommy, look at me.
Look at you what?
As cute as you.
Will you get out of here? You're not ashamed of yourself. Just go. Chidebere, just leave this place. Go and take care of yourself. You're no longer a child.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Dad, I overheard Mom telling Angela that Choma and Chita are coming to stay with us.
Oh yes, that's correct. Last week they were asked to vacate the house by the bank, so they're coming over here to stay with us.
Why?
You asking me why?
Dad, their late father has a house in a village. They can as well go back to the village. I am not just in support of this arrangement.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do I need your consent to take decisions in my house?
Dad, so it's just like that?
Get out!
This is not fair. This is...
I said get out! I said get out! Darcy!
Okay. Open that gate. That's so just like that.
Mommy wants to see you. Chidi!
I beg you in the name of God. Nobody should disturb me.
Chidi, why are you angry over that decision to bring Choma and her brother here? Why? I'm talking to you, you are smoking.
Their late father has a house in the village. In their village. Why can't they just go back there? Their mates are there getting married. Huh? making ends meet. Aren't they grown enough? Why must Daddy bring them into our home to inconvenience us? Me?
I beg your pardon? Inconvenience us? How? How would they cope in the village when their parents are no more?
Am I the one who gave birth to them? Huh? How is it my business? What? Was I the one who even killed their parents?
Chidi, how could you even say a thing like that? What has come over you?
This discussion is over. Leave.
Really?
I said leave. Won't you move? Come on, stand now. I want to live my life. I want to have fun. That is life. Some are lucky, some are unfortunate. That's just it. It's not my fault. Huh? Bringing people in to come and inconvenience my space. I love my space.
Jay, how are you?
How many times do you want me to tell you that this is a sitting room and not your drumming room? Chidi. When I talk, you respond.
Chidi, this is the only quiet place I can do this. You understand?
Cheta, you are a mountain of stupidity. This is my father's house. My house. You want to try me, eh? Omo. Mado.
What's the meaning of this? What are you doing? You want to spoil my drawing?
Cheta, do you want to hit me? Listen, let me tell you something. I will lock you down like COVID-19. You will beg for palliatives. You won't find. This is Nigeria. Try not to see.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do you choose for me?
Wait. Who am I saying? Ugo. Hey! When did you come back from your travel?
I came back last week.
Ugo, you're the last person I expected to see.
Jetta, what is happening?
How?
I went to your house last week and found out that another family is occupying your house.
Oh, that. Now go. It's a long story. We lost our parents. I and my sister were now orphans. No, it's actually a long story anyway.
Cheta, tell me you are joking.
I'm not joking. It's for real. The bank that my father was indebted to confiscated our property and sold them.
Yeah.
It's a long story.
It's unbelievable.
Ugo, that's how we saw it. Eh? It's okay. Come. Let's go out. Let me show you something. Meet my friend. But this is my cousin's brother. My pleasure.
So, you now have the guts to bring in a stranger into my father's house. Do you know what? The same way you let him in, let him out.
Chidi, Hugo is my friend.
And what is the difference? Huh? Listen, take him to your father's house. One day you are going to bring in a criminal into this house. Just like that.
Chidi, what is wrong? What is wrong with you? Chidi?
Cheta, don't worry yourself, I will leave. We'll talk on phone.
Alright. See, with this kind of conduct, you are one day going to bring in a criminal into this house. Get out! Spoiling my mood.
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with that guy. Is it because I'm in his father's house? If my parents were still alive, he wouldn't have seen me here.
Yes, you have to follow that kind of person with wisdom. Yes.
This guy is giving me headache. Yeah? What am I going to do? What have I done to him?
Calm down. I don't like what happened in there. But you have to calm your nerves, okay?
What am I going to do? I don't just like this. What kind of rubbish is this?
Why not join me in the work I'm doing? At least we'll be earning something every day. Yes, to avoid all this kind of embarrassment.
Ugo, I cannot do that kind of your work. How do I cope with it? You know me too well. I cannot do that.
See, Cheta, if I can do it, you can still do it. Yes.
How am I going to do this now? It's okay, I'll come. Come, let me walk you down. I'll try. Not just... Chidi, what is wrong with you? Can't you see I'm watching something already?
Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you for the second time. Is this your father's house? Be warned.
Please change that into house. Please. You're welcome.
Cheta, what is the problem?
Uncle, I'm here watching a program. She just came in and changed the channel all of a sudden.
Dad, let me tell you the truth. I will not have this guy inconvenience me in my own house.
Will you shut up?
Don't shout at me, Dad. I am your son. This is a complete stranger in this house. I don't want to feel inconvenienced.
Who do you call a stranger? Cheta? My brother's son? Your cousin? Are you out of your mind? Now, let this be the first and the last time I will hear you say it in this house.
Welcome, sir.
You see what you've caused? My own father shouting at me because of you. Like I said before, if you don't mind your business, I can't just even imagine having you completely inconvenience me in my house day in, day out.
Cheta, I have discussed with the contractor.
And what did he say?
He accepted. And one of us did not come today, so you replace him.
Ugo, are you sure I can do this?
Eh? You can do what? Mr. Man, respect yourself. Come inside and change your clothes, Biko. What kind of rubbish is this? Come inside and change your clothes.
God. What is this? Anyway, whatever. If this is how God wants it for me, let it be.
Oh, what are you still doing here now? I don't want this man to come here and meet you here. What is wrong with you?
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go.
I better come inside.
Join me.
I'm yet to believe that both of you are gone forever. The pains I am passing through because of your sudden demise is unbearable. Today, man of fun, very unimaginable.
Chama. What is all this? What is all this? Why are you crying? Chama. You were crying when I left for lectures. Now you're still crying? Calm down, relax. Listen to me. There is no amount of tears that will bring back your parents. You have to calm down. Just take it easy. Calm down. Please, you need to calm down. Please.
Wendy, you would not understand. I can't believe I'm not going to see my parents again.
It's okay. Listen. I may not understand what it feels like to lose a parent, but I just want you to take it easy. You missed lectures because of this. And I know you haven't even eaten. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Cheta, are you sure you're okay? You've been lying down since I got back from work.
I'm not feeling fine. I am having ache all over my body.
Have you taken drugs?
No, but I think I have to go out and get drugs for myself.
You should have done that before now. Okay, just give me some seconds. Let me get to you.
How's work today?
Fine, come on. Go get some drugs for yourself. Get some. Okay, let me help you out.
Thank you.
Talk now. It's getting late already.
I'll go now.
Just go now, eh? I'll wait for you here.
I'll go.
Sorry.
Who be that now? Who be that? Come on! You left me outside the gate banging for minutes. Are you crazy?
Sorry, sir. I was at the backyard fixing the electricity light.
Where did you say you were?
At the backyard.
At the what?
At the backyard. At the backyard.
Wait. At the what?
Backyard.
Backyard. So I am now your mate.
Hello.
Kneel down. Next time you lock me out and you made me bang the gate for 10 minutes, I am going to destroy you. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Huh? Yes, sir. Ah! Remain there. Remain on the ground. What is the problem? You left this door open since I left? No.
Yes, I'm ready. I have to start going now. Go has called me twice and he's waiting.
No. You have to eat something.
I'm in a haste, Choma. I have to go now.
Remember the job you're going to do is a tedious one. You have to eat.
can imagine.
Eat. Don't joke with your breakfast.
Chibai.
Eat your food. So they can carry anything carryable. Anything liftable, you lift it.
Chibai. If you insist, who am I to say no?
I insist. What is going on here? Good morning. So you and your useless brother have turned my kitchen into a dining room. Am I not talking to human beings?
You are. Not really.
Come on, take that thing out of here. Get out.